In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix a missing network adapter on Windows 11. This can be a frustrating issue, especially if you rely on your network connection for work or entertainment. Fortunately, there are a few straightforward steps that can help you resolve this problem quickly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a better understanding of how to get your network adapter back up and running. To start, let's delve into the device manager to see if your network adapter is simply hidden. You'll want to press the Windows key and the X key on your keyboard simultaneously. This opens up a special menu where you'll find Device Manager. Click on it, and once you're in Device Manager, we need to make sure we can see everything that's hidden. Go to the top menu, select View, and then click Show Hidden Devices. This will reveal all devices, including those that might not be immediately visible. Next, navigate to the Network Adapters section. Click on the little arrow next to it to expand the list of devices under that category. If your network adapter is there but appears grayed out, it indicates that it is currently disabled. You can resolve this by right-clicking on the grayed out adapter and selecting Enable Device from the context menu. This action should bring your network adapter back to life, making it available for use almost immediately. If, however, the issue persists, our next step is to check if Windows can detect any missing hardware changes. Once again, head to Device Manager. Locate the Action tab at the top of the window and select Scan for hardware changes. This command prompts Windows to search for any hardware components that might not have been recognized. It's an excellent way to ensure your system is fully aware of all the components connected to it. Now, if neither of the previous steps worked, it's time to run the built-in troubleshooter, which is quite handy for resolving network issues. You'll need to open your settings by pressing the Windows key and the I key together. Once there, navigate to System, then head over to Troubleshoot, and finally, Other Troubleshooters. In this section, you'll see Network and Internet. Go ahead and run this troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen instructions and make sure to apply any recommended fixes that the troubleshooter might offer. This tool is specifically designed to identify and resolve network-related problems and often proves successful in dealing with stubborn issues. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the missing network adapter issue in Windows 11. Feel free to revisit this video anytime you experience similar problems, and remember, keeping your drivers updated often helps prevent such issues in the future. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for